Well, hey there guys, today I got another lock here for you today. This one is going to be the Master 150. Yeah, it's got 5 chambers in it. I believe all 5 chambers are being used. It does have security pins in it. Here's a look at the key bitting. Nothing on the bow of the key except Master on one side of the bow of the key, and Master Lock Company on the other. There's a look at the key bitting. This plug for this lock is under spring tension, so it does give me a little bit of a hard time. Yeah, with the security pins and everything. You can get a false set, and once you get that false set, for me anyway, it can be hard to pick out of. Because there's spring tension on the plug. So it can be hard for me to feel whether I'm causing that counter rotation or whether the spring is causing the counter rotation. Oh, didn't get it that time. Try again here. There's a false set. There's another false set. Okay, another deeper false set. Let's see. That's where I want to, if that's where I want to be. Still got another false set. I think I slipped off one of the pins. Getting lost in the keyway now, which is fairly common for me. Lost it again. Give it another try here. Could do this video in several takes, pop it open and make it look good, but I'm not going to do that because that doesn't happen in the real world. It does sometimes, but when it's dark, cold outside, it's raining and you're under stress, you could be standing there for 30 minutes on a lock. Sometimes you don't have the option of taking bolt cutters and cutting the shackle. A lot of times, maybe sometimes you're, depending on what you're doing, you're going to be limited on the options that you can use to attack the lock with. And so, sitting here in a warm, comfortable house, you would think it'd be easy, but it's not sometimes. Sometimes your hands are numb, the wind is blowing. Oh, overset that pin. Try it again. Sometimes when you go up to a door or a lock, yeah, depending on the situation, it may take you Just all depends on what you're doing. It may take several days to get through a door, or a lock I should say, depending on who you are and what you're doing. Or it may take a couple seconds. Or it could take 3 hours. All just depends. Got the first pin set. Trying to get underneath the pin back here, way back in the back. There's another one set. Still in a false set. I barely touched one pin and it went deeper into a false set. So to be honest with you, I'm not sure if that's the pin that I need, or it just fell deeper into a false set. And with the counter rotation going on in the plug, makes it extremely difficult for me to tell whether I'm doing that or whether the spring is doing it, rotating the plug back. Okay, I got a deeper false set that time. There it is, picked open. Not sure how long that took. Glad that's over. Master 150. I was going to show that on camera, but oh well. I'll go ahead and show it with the key, I guess. What I'm talking about is when you have a plug and when you let go of the key and it rotates back to 12 o'clock position, and you got spool pins in there or any type of security pins, you're looking for that feedback. You're looking for the counter rotation of the plug caused by, as you get on underneath one of the binding pins that is serrated or spooled or mushroomed, you're looking for the feedback, the counter rotation on your tension wrench. Well, with this plug, it automatically gives you counter rotation. So it can be very hard to tell whether it's you causing that or whether it's the plug itself. So I think that's why I had a little bit of difficulty with this lock. Show you guys the key bitting here. Maybe if I can get the key turned the right way. There's a look at the key bitting. Yeah. And again, there's nothing on the bow of the key except master. And there it is. Master 150 knocked out. As always, I hope you guys are having a good one. And stay tuned, more to come. Thank you.